Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to cover objective test creation on ConceptNinjas. So objective test is nothing but a simple test where all the question will be are of objective type. Okay. So in this type of test, we do no negative marking. We give 1 mark for one correct answer and 0 mark if the question is not attempted or if it was wrongly attempted. So let's go ahead. So we click on new test. Then there are 4 ways that you can create a test. There is one template selection. If you have ready template, then you can utilize past test library. If you have similar test in the past, then you can utilize. Then AI creation, that is coming soon on our website. And then this is custom design, when you are going to create a custom test for yourself. So we go with custom design. Then there are 7 types of tests that we are supporting. So for objective test creation, we have to click on this knowledge assessment. After going to this screen, you put the name of the test, sample objective test I'm putting it in. Then you put the duration in minutes, I'm putting it as 20 minutes. Then if there is any description of the test, you can put here. We click on next. In the next screen, we have to choose all the subcategories that we want in our test. So by subcategory means I mean the topics of the test. There will be how many section, how many question each section will have, that we will decide in this. Suppose my test is going to have aptitude, verbal, and reasoning. Currently, we don't have any restriction on the number of tests. It should have at least one section. That is the only required thing. So I'm putting 2 questions in each section. So this is my basic framework of the test, that my test will have 3 sections: aptitude, verbal, and reasoning, and each section is going to have 2 questions. And click proceed. Then add from library. So there is a provision of randomization on ConceptNinjas. So you can add more questions in the background, and out of those questions, fixed 2 questions will be shared with the candidates. So here you can see that question number is there. Then we have question text. Then all the 4 options with the correct option highlighted in green color. Then the level of the question. And then this is the global number that tells us how many times this question has been used in any test, how many times it correctly attempted, how many times it has appeared in the test. So depending upon this global number, you can also take decision which question you want to use in your test. So once you have identified the question to be added, you can just click on add question. So these questions will be now part of the test. Now I'm adding the aptitude questions. So if you have your own questions also in the library, those questions will appear in the bottom of the page. Now I'm done with my question. I can see how many question count were there, how many basic questions I have added, how many intermediate, how many advanced. In some cases, if I want to revisit the question, I can just click on the number. If I want to delete this question, I can delete this. Once I'm satisfied, then I click on the publish test. Because once I have published the test, there is no provision of making any changes in the test. The test is ready to be used by the team for inviting the candidates. So my test is ready. And next step, that I can invite the candidates. See you in the next video. Thank you.